If you're here for the July 2021 Dexter market update numbers, this video is for you. Hey folks, Todd here with Studio 48 at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company Realtors. And just a quick caveat here before we dive directly into the numbers. Let's keep in mind that these comparisons from July of 21 are compared to July of 2020. Last year, this thing called COVID happened. We shut the real estate market down for basically a month and a half or so. And immediately after that, the numbers kind of got wonky because there was a lot of activity. There was also some hesitancy. So let's just keep that in mind as we're staring at these numbers. Regardless of all that, the numbers, if you own a home in Dexter, let's talk about that at the end of the video here, shall we? So let's start it right off. Average sales price for a home in Dexter that closed in July of 21 was up 2.1% to $432,183. Not a bad average sales price. It's a small jump comparatively, but let's look at median sales price because that jumped significantly actually. 9.21%. That's a decent jump in median value to $415,000. So you do have some great price appreciation that is happening here in Dexter. So if you're a homeowner, we'll talk at the end, right? Average days on market. This starts to give us a good feel for how competitive the market is for Dexter housing. So in July of 21, it took an average of 23 days for a home to come on the market to get to an accepted offer for all those properties that closed in July of 21. Compared to July of 2020, that is down 35.85%. Number of properties sold in July of 21. It was actually down 23.73%. There were 45 properties sold in July of 21 in Dexter. Finally, the number that the studio has stared at relatively recently is the number or amount of properties that sell in a given month at or above their asking price. In Dexter, in July of 21, 71.11% of those properties that sold at or above list price. Translates into 32 properties of the 45 sold for at or above list price. I said earlier, homeowners, that we should have a chat. Well, here's the deal. You do see some pretty decent price appreciation happening on your residence there in Dexter. And so if you're looking to move, of course, we would love to chat with you about that. If you're looking to improve your space at the studio, we would love to chat with you about what it means, these numbers mean for your ability to improve your property. Say that you have a fair amount of appreciation that's happened in the last year or so, and maybe you want to renovate the kitchen, the bath, maybe you've got some revolving debt you'd like to take care of, maybe you want to help someone with their college tuition. Here's the deal. We can help you come up with a pretty good number, a view on what the value of your home is so that you could turn around and talk with your banker about getting a home equity line of credit. You can tap into that credit line and, again, take care of things like tuition or renovating a kitchen, maybe paying down some debt. Being able to walk into that banker's office, however, with a very firm grasp of what the value of your home is, it just gets you that much further down the path and gives you a little bit of confidence as you're sitting in the banker's office talking through that. This is Todd with Studio 48 at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company, saying we're here to help you recreate real estate.